board of directors and a huge animal advocate. He enjoys times with friends, red wine, and blue skies. Greg, take it away.
Thank you. I'm a little bit sick at the minute, so bear with me. So what I'm going to try and do is the next kind of 3 presentations or so is educate everybody on life insurance, starting right at the basics today and then working out up over the year basically. So what I want to do this morning is go right back to basics and explain exactly what life insurance is and go over a couple of the basic policies or the most common policies that you will come across. So life insurance is basically a contract with an insurance company, same as any other insurance, but life insurance, in exchange for money, premiums that you pay to the insurance company, they will provide a guarantee or a lump sum in the event of your death, to be paid out to the beneficiaries. Typically, life insurance is chosen based upon your needs and your requirements as a client. So why do you need it, what is it for, etc. There are many different varieties of life insurance: term insurance, whole life insurance, universal life insurance, along with lots of others which I won't go into right now. But I'm going to start with term life insurance. This is the most common one, it's the most basic one that you're going to come across, and it's probably the most easiest to understand. It's designed to provide financial protections for a set amount of time. So that might be 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, whatever you decide you want it for. That's how long the insurance will stay for. The premium is usually set for that term, so whether it's a 10-year insurance for $100 a month, that will be the price for that 10 years. It's not going to change. After the 10 years, however, it will then increase if you stay with that insurance company. You typically use a life insurance, term insurance for a shorter amount of time, such as mortgage protection, covering a loan, something like that. It's relatively simple. You just set it up and run along in the background. Great for new families if they don't maybe have the budget to set up a policy that they need to cover everything. They just want to have a basic policy in place that they can use term insurance for that. Most time, term life insurance is going to be the cheapest option for you. Another use for term insurance is key man cover. Now, I don't know if any of you have come across key man cover, but this is a policy that businesses will put in place for key members of staff. So you might have a couple of guys on your team that, if they aren't there, it's going to affect your business. So you might set a policy for them. Also, as business owners, a lot of you in the room, you might have key man insurance that your business is taken out on you. If you're not around to run the business, is your business going to keep going? Is your family going to be benefiting from that money that the business is making? So key man cover is quite important when you start looking at business planning, estate planning and things like that as well. So like universal life and whole life, these are permanent life insurances. So these are policies that you set up that will keep going and going and going until you die. They're not a set term, they just run. Great for estate planning. Most of your clients, I think, will have these types of policies in place. They're really good for transferring wealth to generations and kind of mitigate and limit the potential tax liabilities between that. The difference between the two is universal life is flexible and you can amend your premiums, you can increase them, you can decrease them, you can change your cover if you want to, you can hold the policy and take a bit of a break if for whatever reason you need to. And they will build up cash balances so that if you do stop paying the premiums for 6 months, the pot that you're building up will cover your premiums. Whole life is set premiums for the term of the policy, set cover as well. So quite rigid, just as good, but it doesn't give you the flexibility maybe that universal life will give you. Both of these policies, as I said, have cash values that will increase the longer the policy is in force, and you can then use that money to enhance your retirement planning. You can use it for loans, you can use it for deposits on house, you can use it for whatever you want. It's another way of saving. There are a lot of variations of these policies. Some may not be suitable for everybody. Also, some you might need extra qualifications for. So there are people that are just qualified for life insurance, so they can only sell universal and whole life. Javier will probably be able to sell index-linked and investment-run life insurance policies as well. So make sure the person that you're dealing with is fully qualified to give you the advice to sell the policies that you're giving you. Now, how the cost is determined. So this is how it's underwritten. Insurers will use various factors when underwriting policies. Obviously, the most common one is the medical questions that you complete on the application form. So that's, have you ever been in hospital in the last 10 years? Have you done something weird and wonderful and lost a limb or something like that at the last? They'll also ask you family medical history. If you've got history of cancer in the family. My family, my mum died of cancer, my grandmother died of cancer, so it's there. So the insurance company might rate me higher than they rate other people, just because there's the potential that that might happen to me at some point. Also your lifestyle. If you're about to leave BNI after this and go jump out of an aeroplane or go rock climbing, something silly like that, that is going to make your insurance slightly more expensive. If you're a little bit risky and you do silly things, the insurance company is probably going to want to charge you a little bit more to get insured. What I didn't realise actually before moving to America is motoring violations. So if you speed, if you've got DUIs, things like that, that affects your life insurance. And I think a lot of insurance companies, if you have a DUI, may not need to insure you. I don't know if that's true, but I didn't realise that speeding tickets would affect your life insurance. So if you do get pulled over for speeding, maybe go and see a lawyer to get it reduced or and smoking. If you're a smoker, your life insurance is going to be astronomical. I ran a quote for me based on $1 million life insurance as a non-smoker, $33 a month. As a smoker, $187 a month. Wow! That's 4 times. That's nuts. So just to give you an idea of premiums, 45-year-old male, $1 million, we can look at as low as $59 a month. And if you're female, it's even cheaper. So it's women are cheaper than that for some reason. Apparently, men are riskier all of our policies include living benefits as well. The living benefits that cover you for the cancers, the brain tumors, the heart attacks, and all that sort of stuff. If you don't actually die, but you just die a little bit, they're all included. So to kind of finish up, to finish up, when you get paid out on a life insurance policy, when your beneficiaries get the money, it is one lump sum payment. So if you work out how much insurance you need, and that's based upon 5 years worth of your income, then we'll go to your wife or to your partner or whoever. She's going to get that in one lump sum. So maybe prepare, speaking with a financial professional, so that when they get that lump sum, they don't just go straight down to the Bellagio and put it all on black and lose it, that they've got some sort of planning in place to spread that over the 5 years that you wanted them to have it. Also, it would be worth considering that if your spouse does know that she's due to get a lump sum, maybe start helping out at home a little bit. Being a bit nicer to her, My ideal referrals would be new parents, new homeowners, people like that are looking to prepare for their future and use life insurance to do that. That's me. Thank you.
Wow, guys, thank you. Were those some great informative presentations or what? Let's give them both a round of applause.